And here's my next lawnmower find here. This is a Toro Recycler 22-inch mower with a 6.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine on here that does not run. It's got the high rear wheels on it. Actually, it looks like it's in really good condition here. It doesn't look like it has very much oil in it, which is a similar issue my neighbor had with a mower just like this last year where it wouldn't start. You can see it's barely touching the stick here. It's got compression, and they just could not get it to start this year. Rear bag. It's good they had the rear bag with this. Looks like the self-propel will work. Excuse the shadow here when I pull the rope and hold the self-propel handle. Front wheels do attempt to turn. He said he put a new primer bulb in here. Let's check the air filter. It actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. Looks like it's got a shiny spark plug in there. That may have been replaced. Very heavy mower. Made out of the good stuff. This has got our 22-inch recycler on there, blade. That looks like that's in pretty good condition. It's got a... will definitely need sharpening. And we got lots of debris underneath. Don't see anything twined around the gearbox. Let me show you a little bit more about this Toro Recycler. And this tag is not in very good shape on the rear, but it looks to be model 20016. I could not get the height adjustment to work on the rear wheels. They're frozen up. But I could get them to work on the front wheels, and you can see the front wheels are slick on here, worn. Rear wheels seem to be okay. And this is a 6.5 horsepower Toro GTS, guaranteed to start Tecumseh engine on this Toro Recycler. And the bag is in decent shape on here, no holes, but very well used. And it looks like it's almost full of gas, and it smells okay in here. So let's top this off with oil because it's really low. That may be preventing it from starting. It does have compression, but it may not be enough to pull the gas in. Put some carburetor cleaner in here and make an attempt to start this Toro Recycler. So I've topped this Toro off with oil. It was really low. And we can see we have spider webs on our carburetor. Let's put a little carburetor cleaner in here and give this a Toro a start. Here we go. Ooh, it tried. Not even sure this primer bulb's even working. Let's try one more time here. And we tried a little more carburetor cleaner in here. Give it one more chance here. So it looks like we got a fuel related issue with this Toro Recycler. I think we can get this back going again. Probably need to take this carburetor apart. So there'll be more upcoming videos here on this Toro Recycler. We'll get it cleaned up, go through the carburetor perhaps, and sharpen the blade.